watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Namaskar, I'm Harsha Sharma and you're watching SciTech, a show where we unravel the science behind everything. One scratch and we run to get a bandage to cover the wound for its fast recovery. Bandages are generally used for trivial problems, but now Indian researchers have made a bandage which can help get rid of bigger health problems like skin cancer. Watch this video to know how this bandage will work.
Skin, the largest organ of the human body and the one we most care about. While soaking the sun rays is required for synthesis of vitamin D in the body, excess sun exposure can cause sunburns or even deadly issues like skin cancer. While there is sunscreen to protect ourselves from the damaging sun rays, studies have shown that there has been an increase in cases of skin cancer over the years. The skin cancer can be of two types: melanoma, which develops from melanin-producing cells in the skin called melanocytes, and non-melanoma, which develops from other skin cells. Although non-melanoma skin cancer is more widespread, melanoma is more malignant and chances of death are more due to melanoma skin cancer. Indian scientists from Bangalore-based Indian Institute of Science have now made a bandage to get rid of skin cancer cells. Many treatment options for skin cancer involve surgeries which require cutting the skin. The new procedure, however, is non-invasive. This new bandage is made with magnetic nanofibers and it treats skin cancer by administering heat to the tumor cells. The bandage is made up of magnetic nanoparticles made from an oxide of iron and a biodegradable polymer called polycaprolactone pasted on a surgical tape. As iron is attracted to a magnet, this magnetic material generates heat when it is subjected to a high-frequency oscillating magnetic field. The scientists tested the effect of this magnetic bandage on human cancer cell lines growing in the laboratory and also on mice with artificially induced skin cancer. The scientists found that the heat generated by application of magnetic field to bandage killed the cancer cells successfully. Moreover, they found that healthy tissues or cells remained intact with no signs of burns, inflammation, or thickening during this heat. Basically, the high temperature at the treatment site enabled heat to penetrate the tumor cells, rupturing the network of blood vessels of the tumors. This new development is a hope for skin cancer patients and may ensure that in future, no death occurs due to skin cancer.
We all know that there are male and female birds. But what if I say that there is a bird which is both male and a female? You heard it right. Scientists have found a rare bird that is both male and a female. Watch this report to know it all.
Rose-breasted grosbeak, a medium-sized songbird with short neck and a medium-length tail. They are broad-chested and just like any other bird, it has male and female counterparts. It derives its name from the male of the species, who have a very large triangular marking on a white chest. Males have dark black wings and a distinctive red marking, whereas females have brown wings and no patches on its beige body. But recently, scientists have found a super rare bird in the Pennsylvania Nature Reserve. The bird they have discovered is both male and female. It has a split right down the middle, pink on the right side and yellow on the left. Even the back of its wings and tail show crucial sexual differences, with the left side displaying a browner shade and the right side a blacker one. Scientists call this condition bilateral gynandromorphism, which means both male and female. This occurs when two sperms fertilize an egg that has two different nuclei. The egg can develop male sex chromosomes on one side and female on the other, leading to a bird with testes and other male characteristics on one half of its body, and an ovary and other female characteristics on the other. Since usually only the left ovary is functional in birds and the left side of this bird is the female side, this bird theoretically could produce young if it successfully mates with a female. However, even with a potentially functioning ovary, this lovely bird might not be able to mate. Given that grosbeaks are songbirds and males rely on their music to attract females, it's unclear whether this bird will be able to attract a partner if its song is confusing to other birds. Though this is a rare phenomena in birds, it is also found in other creatures like snakes, insects, lobsters, crabs, and spiders.
Time to wrap up this episode of SciTech. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. Before we end, here's a fact of the day for you.
Gynandromorphism is extremely rare. It was first discovered by Bridges and Morgan in Drosophila. It has been observed in numerous animal species, including crustaceans such as lobsters and crabs, spiders, and many species of birds.